All right, Kenny Keys today. We're gonna talk about power lift gates, how to use them. So don't forget to like. Have any questions, you like this, just wanna let me know, don't forget to text me, 315-916-3388. All right, so you have a couple ways that you can work your power lift gate. Of course, you have your key fob. Super simple, easy. Simple, two press the button and it opens it. Nothing to really think about, really quick and easy to do. Then as you're getting inside, you have your light switches here. You do have this little button here as well. You press that, it's going to open and close it after giving you the little safety dings as well. Then when you're outside the car and it's closed, you got this little button right here. It has the sign to tell you, gives you the safety beeps, and it opens. Then once it's open, or if it was already open, you're going to use this button right here on the right side of the lift gate, and that's going to completely close it. Super quick, easy.